Hello everyone! Today we're going to make a super easy recipe, perfect for sunny days. Homemade strawberry ice cream without an ice cream maker, with only 3 ingredients, and all of this in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. For this recipe, the only tool you'll need is a blender. So we add 500 grams of frozen strawberries to the blender. You can also use fresh strawberries, not frozen ones. It's just that it will take longer to set in the freezer. I squeezed the juice of half a lemon, which I'm pouring over the strawberries. And finally, I'm pouring in sweetened condensed milk, so I added 150 grams. Of course, you can use less if you want to. You need to use a fairly powerful blender, one that's capable of crushing the frozen strawberries. If you want more homemade ice cream recipe ideas, let me know in the comments. I'm also counting on you to tell me what your favorite flavor is. I blend everything for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until the strawberries are completely crushed. So once everything is well blended, you should get this texture. Then you take a loaf pan or an airtight container and pour all of your ice cream into it. If you want, you can enjoy the ice cream like this right away. Otherwise, you wait a few hours and let it set more in the freezer. So I poured everything into the cake mold. I'm smoothing the surface of the ice cream. You can make this recipe with other fruits, for example with mango. It's really good. Next, we're going to cover the surface directly with plastic wrap. So we apply the plastic wrap all over, directly touching the ice cream. This will prevent ice crystals from forming. And then we keep the ice cream in the freezer for at least 6 hours. You can leave it overnight or even for several months without any problem. Basically, you can enjoy it at your own pace. When you take it out of the freezer, let it thaw a little bit, about 5 minutes before you can scoop it. The ice cream is super creamy. It tastes like real fresh fruit. It's absolutely delicious. As you can see, it's a super easy recipe to make. Like I told you, it's done in less than 5 minutes. And it's really delicious. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. See you soon.